Wix versus Primer, which one should you choose to build a website? Hello and welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll compare two leading design and prototyping tools, which is Wix and Primer. Whether you're a website builder seeking simplicity or designer looking for advanced customization, we'll explore the features, pros and cons, pricing, and other factors to help you make an informed decision. And to create an account, you could also use the link in the description. By using the link, you may also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. But before that, if you don't know what is Wix, it is a cloud-based web development platform that allows users to create professional websites without the need for coding knowledge, in which it offers user-friendly drag-and-drop interface allowing individuals and businesses to easily design and customize their websites. And also, Wix provides a variety of templates, hosting services, domain registration, and e-commerce capabilities, making it a comprehensive solution for building and managing online presences. While Primer is a powerful prototyping and design tool used by designers and developers to create interactive and high-fidelity prototypes for web and mobile applications. Unlike traditional design tools, Primer enables users to design with code, allowing for greater flexibility and customization. And now that we know the overview of both platforms, we can now proceed by knowing other details of Wix and Primer. So let's start by knowing the features comparison of Wix and Primer. And as you can see on this table, in terms of primary focus feature, Wix offers a website creation and hosting platform, while Primer is prototyping and design tool. And in terms of user interface, Wix offers drag-and-drop interface for building sites, while Primer offers visual interface with code integration. And in terms of templates, Wix offers a wide range of templates for various industries, while Primer focuses more on design elements rather than predefined templates. And in terms of customization, Wix offers highly customizable with Wix Editor, while Primer is highly customizable with design and code. And now in terms of pricing comparison, in terms of pre-plan, Wix is available with limited features and Wix branding, while Primer offers a 14-day free trial. And in terms of basic plans, Wix starts at $14 per month, while Primer starts at $12 per month. While on its standard plan, Wix starts at $18 per month, while Primer starts at $20 per month. While in terms of advanced plan, Wix starts at $23 per month, while Primer starts at $30 per month. And now in terms of Pro plan, Wix starts at $39 per month, while Primer is custom pricing available for larger teams or enterprise needs. Now moving on to ease of use comparison, in terms of user interface, Wix offers intuitive drag-and-drop interface for building websites, while Primer offers visual interface with code integration, might have a steeper learning curve for beginners. Now in terms of its learning curve, Wix is easy to get started with minimal learning curve, while Primer may require some familiarity with design tools and coding concept. And in terms of support and resources, Wix provides extensive documentation, tutorials, and customer support for users at all levels, while Primer offers resources and community support but may have fewer beginner-friendly resources compared to Wix. Now moving on to performance comparison, in terms of website speed, Wix is generally fast loading times for websites hosted on Wix servers, while Primer depends on the complexity of the design and interactions. Prototypes might require more resources. Now in terms of reliability, Wix is reliable hosting services with minimal downtime, while Primer relies on the user's device and internet connection for performance. Now in terms of scalability, Wix is scalable infrastructure to handle traffic spikes in growing businesses, while Primer is designed primarily for design and prototyping purposes rather than handling high levels of traffic. And aside from that, in terms of rendering, Wix provides pre-rendering for optimized website performance, while Primer renders design and prototypes in real time, which might impact performance for complex designs. And in terms of mobile optimization, Wix offers mobile optimization tools for responsive design, while Primer supports responsive design but might require additional optimization for optimal mobile performance. Now moving on to pros and cons, starting to Wix. Its pros is that it is user-friendly drag-and-drop interface with wide range of templates for various industries, robust e-commerce capabilities, and scalable hosting infrastructure with extensive customer support and resources, while the cons of using Wix is that it has limited customization options for advanced users, and you might experience limitations in design flexibility, and the dependency on Wix proprietary platform for hosting and updates. While the pros and cons of using Primer is starting to its pros, it has powerful design and prototyping tool with advanced animation capabilities in which it is high customizable with both design and code. It supports collaboration and version control, with integration with other design tools and platforms, and it is great for creating interactive and dynamic prototypes. While the cons of using Primer is that it has a steeper learning curve, especially for beginners, and it requires coding skills for advanced features, and it has limited e-commerce support compared to platforms like Wix, and its prototype performance might vary depending on complexity and user's device. But the question is, who should choose Wix? Well, Wix is an option for individuals and small businesses looking for an easy-to-use solution to create and manage their online presence, and it's particularly well-suited for those who aren't tech-value user-friendliness and convenience. With its drag-and-drop interface, variety of templates, and strong e-commerce features, Wix is especially attractive to entrepreneurs, freelancers, and small business owners aiming to set up a website or online store effectively. But what about Framer? Who should choose Framer? Well, Framer is most suitable for designers, developers, and creative professionals who prioritize flexibility, customization, and advanced prototyping capabilities. It's a choice for those in developing interactive prototypes with sophisticated animations and transitions. By merging design with code, Framer empowers users to bring their ideas to fruition while maintaining control over the design process. However, due to its learning curve and emphasis on coding, Framer is better suited for individuals with some skills who seek to explore the limits of traditional prototyping tools. Now moving on to user reviews, starting to Wix user reviews. On its positive, people like Wix for its drag-and-drop interface, range of templates, and helpful customer service. And many users find it great for creating websites even without coding knowledge. And they also praise its e-commerce features for making it simple to set up stores. While the negative reviews of it is that some users mention customization options for advanced users who want more control over design elements. There are also complaints about slow website loading times with media content and the visibility of Wix branding on the free plans. Moving on to Framer user reviews, starting to its positive reviews is that Framer is known for its design and prototyping tools, its advanced animation capabilities, and smooth blending of design and code, in which users like being able to make prototypes that closely resemble the product, and the collaboration features and integration with design tools are also well received. However, the negative reviews of it is that users point out that Framer has a learning curve compared to prototyping tools requiring a good understanding of design principles and coding skills, so beginners might find it challenging at first. Additionally, there are reports of performance issues with prototypes, particularly on lower-end devices. And lastly, in conclusion or in summary, the choice between Wix and Framer depends on preferences and requirements. Wix is great for creating websites, ideal for individuals and small businesses looking for a simple and convenient solution. On the other hand, Framer is known for its design and prototyping features, offering extensive customization options and interactivity suitable for designers and developers aiming to innovate in prototyping. While Wix focuses on user-friendliness and accessibility, Framer appeals to those seeking control and flexibility in their design process, even though it may require a bit learning effort. So that is just a comparison review between Wix and Framer. Thank you.